In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Base44 makes games. To get started, open Base44 and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create an account first. Once you're inside, the goal is to begin a fresh project so you can let the platform build the foundation of your game for you. After signing in, click Create New Project to start a new application. This is where the game creation process really begins. Base44 uses prompts to understand what you want to make, so you'll be asked to describe your game idea in plain language. For example, you might type something like a 2D platformer or a simple quiz game. The more clearly you describe the concept, the better the generated starting point will usually be. Once you submit your prompt, let Base44 generate the initial version of the project. At this stage, it can create the basic game interface, some of the core logic, and the overall project structure. Think of this as your first draft. It won't necessarily be perfect right away, but it gives you something concrete to work from instead of starting with a blank screen. From there, begin customizing the game. You can edit the generated screens and adjust how the game looks and behaves. This includes things like the game rules, graphics, buttons, and animations. Take your time here, because this is where your game starts to feel unique. If something doesn't match your vision, refine it until it does. You can also add extra features to make the experience more engaging. Depending on what Base44 supports in your project, that might include scoring systems, multiple levels, sound effects, leaderboards, or user account functionality. These features can help turn a simple prototype into something that feels much more complete. As you build, make sure to test the game using Base44's preview or testing tools. Testing frequently is important because it helps you catch issues early and see how the game actually feels in action. Pay attention not just to whether it works, but whether it's fun, clear, and easy to interact with. If you notice problems, go back and fix them, then continue refining the gameplay until you're satisfied with the result. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially with pacing, controls, and visual clarity. When everything looks good and plays the way you want, use Base44's publishing or sharing options to deploy your game. That way you can send it to others, gather feedback, or make it available to players. And that's how to use Base44 to make a game from idea to launch.